Sound, background action, camera, and action.
Sorry,
Tina's character, the girl that Genelia is playing, is a choreographer.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Yeah, I have had super fun working with Genelia. Yeah. I was so impressed with her.
Shahid and Genelia, when you put them together in a frame, you could be shooting against a dead white wall, and that shot will work just because both of them standing next to each other.
Hey, सुनो, listen, मुझे अपना phone number दो.
Why? You wanted to friendship with me?
It's not only us, the whole unit picks up, perks up whenever Genelia is on set.
Tina, I think निकल सकता है.
दिखाई नहीं देता. सिग्नल रेड है.
I don't think she was expecting such a good track in the film. She thought they'd be much smaller and stuff because we sort of warned her, okay, listen, it's not a romantic film and this is... But when she heard it, she was... this is damn good, yeah.
I think our chemistry is absolutely great. I love the way, we've done our scenes because they're very, very simple scenes, very candid scenes, very driven by performance. And I'm so fortunate that, our chemistry worked as well as it did and came out really well. I think she is a huge plus point for this film, and I really think people really appreciate her work in the film.
Camera, action, photos. Got it.
Shahid is perfect for this character. Not only is a good dancer, but this story, when people see it on screen, they will identify, yeah, this guy has been through everything, and he actually has, and it is so funny. Eventually, the scenes that emerged had a lot of similarities to things that both Shahid has been through and what I have been through.
Tell me something.
Just one night, nowhere to go. Akbar Sami at that time was a very close friend of mine who's a DJ, and I slept in the back seat of his car. Something I read in the newspaper about a guy who spent 15 days in a car because he didn't have a house.
Hi Tina, what's up?
कहाँ हो?
मैं घर में. तुम कहाँ हो?
तुम्हारे घर के बाहर.
This is the way I am, and he actually invites her in.
Come in.
So?
Yeah. So this is where I live.
Yeah.
And says, okay, the back seat is.
ये पीछे मेरा bedroom है.
This is my
Living room.
And वो सामने
मेरा dining area. क्या लोगी? Tea or coffee?
टी और कॉफी. किचन का है?
It's a good point, but क्या करें, पूछना पड़ता है. Formality के लिए, क्या कहते हैं उसको? मेहमान नवाजी.
Oh.
But hang on.
So she goes like, oh, very nice.
But काफी अच्छा है. I mean, it's nice. It's comfortable.
So she also tries to go along with that whole, that positivity that he's anyway emanating, there's emanating from him.
But काफी अच्छा है. I mean, it's nice. It's comfortable. चारों शीशे खोल दो, हवा भी आती है, और व्यू कहीं भी चेंज कर सकते हो. लाइक सी के आगे खड़ा कर दो तो सी व्यू, माउंटेन के आगे खड़ा कर दो तो माउंटेन व्यू. लेकिन तुमने सही व्यू चुना है. स्टार ऑफ इंडिया होर्डिंग व्यू. नाइस.
Generally in films, you have a hero. When a song comes, suddenly he becomes a good dancer. So we said, let's take a character who is a good dancer.
Ken told me that Shahid, dance is a very big part of the film, and you're playing a struggling actor, but I'm showing you audition for a musical. So we're going to use dance as a big part of the film.
And everybody knows knows Shahid's a good dancer.
We were discussing and I was like, यार Ken अब नया क्या करेंगे dance में? Because people have seen me as a dancer. They know that I can dance. How do you surprise them in that space?
Dancing would be an element in the film. It's not a dance film, so to speak, but it's a film about dance.
So we thought that why don't we bring a foreign choreographer in and make me dance to his kind of choreography. Let's bring Marty Kudelka in and let's see what he can do to change the way that I dance.
I think we spent some 5 or 6 days rehearsing Pump It Up. The songs here are made for dancing. Adnan's favorites happen to be my favorites too. Why we had to do that is because the dancing we were doing had to be, well, it was going to be Western. So the music had to have lots of strong Western elements to it. You've seen him dance well all throughout, okay, in a club, on the road, in this hall over here, there's that. Now on stage. Adnan's a huge fan of Michael Jackson and the Beatles. He understands because he's got a lot of Western influences, but he's also got a lot of his Indian roots are strong in Indian music. And that's why it sounds a little different.
We wanted it to look like a live performance.
I added a lot of camera in the crowd shots. You know, from a point of view of somebody who's in the 10th row, in the crowd, getting jostled in the crowd, you know, and how would he see Shahid performing? So there would be hands in front of the lens and, you know, and you'd see him and then not see him and then see him and not see him, and the lights would be on you and there'd be a lot of lens flare.
To watch more, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/UTV Motion Pictures.